Encountering the NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach you can resolve it. Follow these step-by-step methods to fix the issue and get back to your seamless gaming experience. Solution 1. Restarting NVIDIA services. 1. Open the services window by typing services in the Windows search bar. 2. Locate all NVIDIA services in the list. 3. Right-click on each service and select Restart. Solution 2. Updating NVIDIA graphics drivers. 1. Visit the NVIDIA website or open your system settings. 2. Check for any available driver updates. 3. Download and install the updates. Solution 3. Reinstalling NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 1. Open the control panel or settings on your PC. 2. Uninstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 3. Reinstall the latest version from the NVIDIA website. Solution 4. Disabling antivirus and firewall software. 1. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall software. 2. Try rerunning the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 3. Re-enable the antivirus and firewall after testing. Solution 5. Performing a clean boot. 1. Open the system configuration by typing msconfig in the Windows search bar. 2. Select Selective Startup under the General tab. 3. Disable all startup programs and services except for Microsoft services. 4. Restart your computer and check if the error persists. Solution 6. Checking for Windows updates. 1. Open Windows Update settings. 2. Check for any available updates. 3. Download and install any updates, then restart your system. Solution 7. Removing temporary files. 1. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type temp and press Enter. 3. Select all files and delete them. Solution 8. Running a system file checker scan. 1. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. 2. Type SFC scanno and press Enter. 3. Allow the scan to complete and follow any prompts. Solution 9. Resetting NVIDIA network service. 1. Open the services window again. 2. Locate the NVIDIA network service. 3. Right-click on it and select Restart.